Hi there. We are now inside of a NotebookLM account and we are inside a free, not paid NotebookLM account. In this video, we're going to interact with our content. Assuming that you have uploaded content to NotebookLM, and what you have done is you have created an audio overview. Once your audio overview is ready, you can interact with that audio overview using the interactive mode, which is currently in beta. We're going to load our audio overview, which has already been created. We have our 10-minute audio. In order to interact with that audio, we're now going to click on interactive mode. When we do that, we're going to need to click to allow Google to interact with our browser. And for the sake of this video, we are now using Google Chrome. In order to use the features of NotebookLM, we're going to click on interactive mode. Now what you'll notice is that the interface will then open. When the interface opens, we can then click on play audio. We will be playing the audio from the beginning, and then we will get controls that will allow us to join the audio and to ask a question. So we're going to start by playing the audio.
Welcome, this is an actionable intelligence briefing,
Our focus today is on creating a robust strategic framework.
specifically for building visibility online with an authoritative brand, something increasingly critical.
Absolutely.
So in order to go through this process, we're going to pause the audio here. When we pick it up is we're going to click the join button and we're going to ask a specific question.
Clear framework. It's essential for anyone marketing information or expertise online.
So trainers, coaches, oh wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
When we're creating a framework, what are the fundamentals for a marketing framework for an information marketing business?
That's a fantastic question. It really gets to the heart of what we're discussing.
Yeah, let's unpack this. When we talk about a marketing framework for selling information,
The absolute fundamentals come down to 4 key elements. Think of them as pillars.
okay, lay 'em on us. What are these foundational pieces?
First and foremost is your unique selling proposition, or USP. What makes you different?
Right, that thing that people can only get from you.
Exactly. The second fundamental is upsells and cross-sells. How do you extend the value for your customer?
So the next logical step after their initial purchase.
Precisely. Third, and this is crucial, is list building.
So as you can see, we can use our microphone in order to interact with the audio that we have created inside of NotebookLM to ask questions if we don't understand something or to get more clarity. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.